Back in action with another watch list. This is the watch list for Wednesday, March 29th, 2023. I'll fix that up on my notes because I just burned the first intro. Here we go. BMEA, BMEA Fusion, on the list first. $30.78 a share, up 99% on the day. Relative volume 4.3. Average trading range $2.37 a day. $903 million market cap for BMEA. 89% response rate in their phase 2 diabetes treatment test results. So doing good for the test results for diabetes. Next on the list, OSCR, Oscar Health. Currently at $5.90 a share. Up on the day 56.2%. Relative volume 4.3, 53 cents. Daily trading range $1.2 billion market cap for OSCR. Corporate positions are shifting around officially. That's Oscar Health. ICCM, ICCR Medical, we could call it. $1.22 a share. On the day, they're up 14.2%. With a relative volume also 4.39 cents. Daily trade range for ICCM with a $58 million market cap. They've just received Chinese regulatory approval, if I could redo that, for disposable probes, cryo probes they're called, or something like that. That's ICCM. Next up, VKTX. Viking Therapeutics, currently at $15.99 a share, up 69.3% on the day. And they had a relative volume 4.2, average trading range $1.16 a day, with a $1.2 billion market cap for VKTX. They begin testing on an oral diabetes version of their drug. That's Viking Therapeutics. Next up, BABA. BABA. $99.10 a share. 14.2% increase today. And they had a relative volume 4.2. Average trading range $3.84 per day. $254.6 billion market cap for BABA. News is they're disconnecting themselves into 6 different pieces, but the stock will stay the same. Pretty big gap up on that news. Next up, IHS. IHS Holding is currently at $8.50 a share, up 20% on the day. IHS had a relative volume 4.1, 35 cents daily trading range with a $2.8 billion market cap. News for IHS, earnings drop, sales beat notably by $100 million. That's good. MKC is next on the list. McCormick & Company. McCormick, $80.86 a share. Relative volume 4, up 9.6% today. $2.05 is the average trading range. $21.7 billion market cap for MKC. Another earnings announcement, they beat on sales and earnings per share. Next on the list, ITCI, intracellular therapies. Yeah, currently at $54.92 a share. They're up 16.4% on the day. Relative volume came in 3.9. Oh, we could call it 4. Average trading range $2.50 a day. Market cap is $5.3 billion for ITCI. Positive top-line data for depression and bipolar treatment. Next up, PVH. PVH Corporation, $88.72 a share. 20% increase on the day. 3.8 relative volume. And average trading range of $3.56. $5.5 billion market cap for PVH. Sales beats by $500 million. Earnings per share beats by 70 cents. Next up, again, birds. BRDS. I call it birds. Bird Global Incorporated, currently at 22 cents a share. Relative volume 3.6, daily trading range of about 3 cents, $62 million market cap. This is the scooter company, by the way. They're on the scanner again, small but interesting, and they reclaimed the 50-day moving average you can see there. Oh, well, actually, it's kind of failing the 50-day moving average, but it just keeps popping up on the scanner. I have to bring it up on the list just in case. Could be fun to mess around with it if you're into that sort of thing. All right, LOVE is next up. Lovesac Company, $27 a share currently. Relative volume 3.6, average trading range $1.69 a day, $410 million market cap for LOVE. Hardy list today, if you haven't noticed. Sales and earnings per share beats for LOVE. Next up, EPR. EPR Properties is $36.75 a share today, and they went up 3.2%. Their relative volume was listed 3.3, and they have a daily trading range $1.22 a day, $2.7 billion market cap for EPR. This is the property REIT for AMC. AMC, I think, is rumored to be interested in, Amazon's rumored to be interested in AMC, I believe. Just rumored, from what I hear. SLI, Standard Lithium Limited Company. SLI is at $3.88 a share, and today they're up 15.8%. I think Abel Murray, or whatever the company's name is trying to buy stuff related to lithium. Companies related to lithium, I think, or a mine or something like that. I didn't look into it too far, but it just gave lithium companies some types of steam, I like to call it. SLI discovered a good amount of lithium brine also, and testing is showing they have the best lithium in North America. LOL, I wrote. Currently at $3.88 a share, 2.7 relative volume, 24 cents daily trading range, $637 million market cap. And next on the list, didn't I already do that one? No, I didn't. CVV. I feel like I did that. I can't tell at this point. If I did, oh well. If I didn't, good. CVV, it's been on the list before. $12.09 a share. Down 9.5% on the day. Relative volume 3.7. Average trading range $1.25 a day. $82 million market cap for CVV. Earnings came in good, and they're checking in with the 50-day moving average here. Next up, LASE, LASE, Laser Photonics. Been on the list before, $6.82 a share. Relative volume 3.7, 57 cents. Daily trade range, $53 million market cap for LASE, LASE. They received an order from GE for their CleanTech laser cleaning system. I've seen it before where a company has received some orders. I think it was probably CVV, by the way, and it made their stock go up for a good amount. Let's see if I can find that on the list here. That could have been something like these things here. 10 orders or something like that for their equipment. Okay, that was LASE. That's currently on the charts. CVV. This was LASE right there. MIST is next up. Milestone Pharmaceuticals, currently $3.99 a share. 10% increase, 10.8% increase on the day, and the relative volume was 3.3, 31 cents average trading range, and a $137 million market cap for MIST. They signed a deal financing their product development further. Next up, ABEV, $2.80 a share. On the day, they're up 4.5%. Relative volume, 2.78 cents. Average trading range, $43.7 billion market cap for ABEV. They report strong sales in Brazil, and one of their direct competitors declared bankruptcy recently, so the stock got some steam from that. American Express is on the list, but I don't have any news for it, so the chart is what you get and all you get. Maybe getting ready to go back towards the top end of that consolidation there, or work its way back down to the lower section of the consolidation here. Tough to say. Moving averages are on both sides. The choice is yours, my friends. Next up, Walgreens Boots Alliance, WBA. Currently $33.88 a share. Today they're up 2.6%. Relative volume 1.8. Average trading range 85 cents. $29.1 billion market cap for Walgreens Boots Alliance. Earnings per share beats by 6 cents. Notable beat was sales. Beating by 1.3 billion. That's super good for Walgreens. Awesome. Could possibly check in with the 50-day moving average here, or maybe off of that kind of news back in with the 200-day moving average. Walgreens Boots. I'm not saying it no more. Baidu. Baidu is next up. We got $160.48 a share, up 4.7% on the day. Relative volume 0.2. Daily trading range $7.06. $55.9 billion market cap for Baidu, BIDU. Continued breakout since the Chinese autonomous taxi permit was given to them. And possible Baba sympathy momentum as well, they say. Next up, I'm very happy about, because obviously I had to play, but Lulu freaking shot up to 360. I thought this might happen in maybe a month or a week or something, or 2 weeks, but nope, just right in the after hours, 320 to 360. Insane. Just this nasty gap up here. It's probably going to have to do something with these gaps around here, down to 350 range and the 360, 65 range, 66 range too. Both our options, we landed right in the middle here, a little closer towards the highs, actually, almost going to open towards those highs. We will see. Man, Lulu smashed it on earnings, I guess, from what it looks like. Earnings per share and sales beat. Next up and last on the list is Lucid LCID. $7.57 a share, down 7.2% on the day with a relative volume of 0.7. 58 cents daily trade range and a $13.8 billion market cap for Lucid LCID. Layoff 18% of the workforce, including executives. Sorry for anybody that affects, but that is actually crazy news. On my perspective side of things, that's just a large amount of people and corporates or executives, I mean. So it's kind of negative, I feel like, more than a positive type of layoff situation for them. They're barely starting their company. They should probably be needing to add people if things were working right. Well, I don't know. It's tough to say. I don't really know about startups and failing electric vehicle makers. But that's the list. Thank you very much for checking in. I appreciate it very much. God bless you guys and stay strong. Take it easy.